Hello guys, it is Roleplay, and I'm here along with...
Risk and emergency alerts.
And you know what it is. It's test
degrees
time.
and water temperature is 77.
They're doing it!
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. River flood.
They're failing! They failed! What the?
Now
Failed!
for the official
What the
National Weather
hell?
Service forecast issued 1
Bro! Nah, TBW!
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
tide forecast.
TBW, what the hell? They... What?
Wait, did you hear that at the end?
What thing?
Did you hear that at the end?
What happened?
I heard like static at the end.
I
I heard like
November
static at the end of
24th.
this test.
I didn't. But dude, they failed. Oh my goodness.
Wow. That's pretty.
Look at this. I have 3 required weekly tests. 1, 2, oh wait. 2, 3. 3 required weekly tests. TBW, you gotta be acting up. You be acting up every required weekly test.
Wind was east at 12 miles.
I only got 2 weekly tests.
All right.
Do 3. They're the end.
Imagine if
of
they
the day.
fail again this evening.
4 weekly tests in one day.
Yep. Alrighty. That concludes this required weekly test cat. Cat. What the? Catch! I was joined along with.
Risk and emergency alert. Risk
Uh,
and emergency alerts.
Bye.